There are two ways that we'll measure volume. The first is using math formulas. The first formula we're going to use to find volume is for a rectangular object, like a cube. For that, volume equals length times width times height. This cube has a length of 2 centimeters. So put that on our data table. The cube has a width of 2 centimeters. We put that on our data table. It also has a height of 2 centimeters. We put that on our data table. Now it's time for math. Volume equals length times width times height. So it's 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8 cubic centimeters. The second formula we can use is to find the volume of a cylinder. That equals pi times the radius squared times the length. If you don't have pi button on your calculator, you can use 3.14. The length of this cylinder is 2.5 centimeters. Put that on our data table. The width, or in our case, diameter, of the cylinder is 2.5 centimeters. Remember, even though the diameter is 2.5, the radius is half that, 1.25 centimeters. Now you plug it into this formula. Volume equals pi times the radius, which is half the diameter, 1.25 squared, times the length, 2.5. You can use 3.14 for pi, and you'll find the volume is 12.3 cubic centimeters. The last formula we will use is to find the volume of a sphere. That is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. For pi, you can use 3.14. Remember, the radius is half the diameter. The width, or diameter, of the blue marble is 2.5 centimeters. Put that on the data table, but remember, radius is half the diameter. In our case, 1.25. Now we use the formula 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. You can put 4/3 times pi, you can use 3.14, times the radius cubed, which is 1.25. And that equals approximately 8.2 cubic centimeters.